How to add bank card in FastBull. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a bank card in FastBull easily and securely. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in fastbull.com in the URL box and search. Make sure that you're logged in and you're inside the home page of FastBull. Go ahead and click on your profile avatar at the top left corner and click on account settings in the pop-up. Once you click on account settings, go ahead and click on the wallet management button on the next page. Scroll down and click on add bank card. Now you'll need to verify your email. Click on the send code button and you'll receive a verification code. Go check your email inbox for the email that you've entered and you'll receive an email from FastBull where you'll see a 4-digit code. Write it down exactly as it appears and click submit. Right after you do that, on the next page, select your country, your account's name, SWIFT or IBAN number, postal code, your bank's name, your bank account number and your correct address. Just fill in the text boxes and once you do, click on save. Make sure that you've entered the correct info and your bank card will be added to your FastBull account. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you and stay tuned.